I received this product. SonOff Pro. Just sample this. Okay, it's pretty covered. This is my blade to open this. I'm disappointed why they don't have a seal pack. I don't know if it's used or not used because it is not seal pack. It comes with evening support, remote control, timing and inching, etc. SonOff Pro. Okay, let's open this for this type of device. DC, AC and 4 type relay switches and LED light display over here. This is used to hang MCP board. Put aside. What we all get? It's a Chinese warranty card which is not filled. Some instruction which is in Chinese and in English also. It is the evening barcode. That's sad. Okay, we have to work with Google Nest and Amazon. Some features are written over here, and evening